Hi, Hickory Hills families. Welcome to our 2020 virtual open house. My name is Abby Kleiboeker, and I am a kindergarten teacher here at Hickory. And I just want to take a few minutes to show you around our kindergarten room and all of the wonderful things we have going on in our class. So sit back and take a look. Every morning, students turn in their folders, empty and ready to fill with all the wonderful activities we do during the day. Folders are also used as ways to deliver any homeschool communications, and I check them every morning for anything from you at home. Also in the morning, we have a morning meeting where we talk about the calendar, including the day, month, year, and we look at our monthly pattern. Look at the top of our picture and see our special kindergarten friend, Pip the pup, watching over our class. We love Pip. This is where we count the days of school. We count by ones on our hundreds chart. We add a straw for each day and learn about place value. And we add a picture to our tens frame. These techniques help us build our number sense. Don't forget about our color songs. I can see them at the bottom of the board. Have your student sing them for you. Letterland friends help us build our phonics knowledge. Every week, we make anchor charts to record our learning in kindergarten. This week, we were learning about fire safety. Our class library is filled with books that go along with our topic of learning for the week. Every week, I change out the books so they are all fresh and new and exciting. We love our poetry corner. It helps us with sight words, reading with one-to-one correspondence, and rhyming words. Centers are a time of independent working. While the students are busy in their independent center, I am meeting with smaller groups of students for more individual learning time. We love to display our work in the hall for all of our friends to see. That little glimpse into our kindergarten day. I am really enjoying the students this year, and I hope that they are enjoying kindergarten as well. As always, feel free to call or email me any thoughts, questions, or concerns, and I will do my absolute best to help. Thanks, you guys, and have a great day. Bye.